So today may well be my last day here working on this, in this lovely place, before I have to move on to a new location. I was going to use my time wisely. As you can see, last time round we got this front corner put on here, and with a bit of fettling this one will be ready to weld on as well. So that was going to be today's job, because when it comes to moving this car it'd be nice to have a bit of rigidity to it. I forgot how solid this front end should actually be. This thing's been flapping about in the breeze for years, and it's quite nice to have a bit of rigidity back. So yeah, before transporting it, it'd be really nice to get this wing on. But then this showed up. Well, we've got everything laid out. I've sorted my bolts, as you can see here. Bag of washers and bits. Sockets at the ready. So, we'll start putting this thing together, I guess. There's one end built. That absolutely flew together. I'll tell you what, after spending weeks, months, years working on bits of rusty old steel, just with angle grinders and stuff, it's so nice to use brand new bolts and things. And this thing's really well made. It all just bolted together really nicely. So, one side done. Let's get the other side done, and then we can start thinking about making the mounts to go onto the car. That's the ends made. Now just the bracing in the middle with this box section here. It's in 3 bits, and we got some plates for reinforcing them as well. So let's get them together. There we go. And by the way, yes, I know I'm going to have to take this middle brace out to get it under the car and under the axle stands, but I wanted to get it in the ends of these so I could lift it off the ground to make tightening these bolts easier. That's why I put it on there. But that will be coming off in a minute. But next, cross braces along here. Ta-da! Using the world's biggest bolt. We've got hangers. There's the mounting brackets mounted on the car using the existing bumper fixings. We're clamped on.